tomorrow, January 20th, 2025. January 20th, 2025 is going to be an historical day for all of crypto. All of crypto. And I'm excited. Like, I don't even have words. I have no words. We're going to do, of course, it's Sunday. I take altcoin requests. We do a Bitcoin market review. We do price action. I take some altcoin requests, and we're going to talk about Trump coin, and what this means moving forward. We've already seen we've already seen Trump, do incredibly well, when it comes to the underdogs, to TikTok. And I'm excited to see that the app is reinstated again, and hopefully they can figure things out, because what people seem to forget is that the people vote people in, Live is not working on TikTok. We vote people into office. And by voting people into office, they're supposed to represent our best interests. They're supposed to represent what we want. And I understand that there's specific, tiers of power, and you got to go do different things. What do they call it? Checks and balances. But at the same time, when you've got 170 million people telling you, we want this, when you have over 1 million people sign a petition saying, we want this, when there are millions of small businesses at risk, especially when we're in the shape that we're in, you need to put your people first. You need to put your people first. And we've been seeing so much insanity happen by public servants. Again, it's both sides. This is both sides. It's not just the red side versus blue side. It's all public servants. And remember, the reason why I call them public servants and not politicians, they are supposed to serve the public. We pay their salaries. We give them livelihood. And we need to start demanding that they hear our voices. I personally can operate in a decentralized economy, true decentralized economy. That's why I crypto. And it's important to remember why we're here. We are here because of Bitcoin. Bitcoin did all this. Bitcoin was able to inspire Ethereum and SQUIDGROW and Brave and Solana and decentralization, and really power back to the people. Meme coins. And again, most meme coins you'll lose money on, but at the end of the day, operating in a true decentralized economy is amazing. Absolutely amazing. I love it. And this is why I love my job so much. So let's go ahead and cover things, get into the nitty gritties of some things. As always, I look a mess. Last night was a very, very long night. Big shout out to VeChain. VeChain sent me to the UFC fight 311, which was amazing. I had a great time. I got to hang out with AJ and Lady J and my girl Tina from Squid Grow, best CMO ever. Altcoin Daily, Crypto Stash. It was just amazing. It was amazing to see my friends. And I understand that there's things going on in LA. But at the same time, I think it is important to support businesses, and Uber drivers are businesses. So there's that. In addition to that, I've got a crazy story to tell you guys that happened to me over the weekend in regards to the fires. I'm still in shock over it. I don't know if I want to share it or not, but it's crazy. It is pretty wild. Pretty wild. So yeah, the things you're seeing on the internet are true. They're true. I saw some things firsthand. But anyways, let's get into it. Shout out to the O Army. We have got 200 plus people. Shout out to the O Army members, Antonio, Mick, Neil, and to my IG babes over there. IG babes. Let's go and talk about it. Let's talk about it. Make sure you guys smash a like and share this. We've got Ovette is my moonbag. Shout out to Chad Smith. And honestly, Sonny is he's the nicest person ever. Like, just amazing people. Amazing. But let's go and get into the market. So on the weekly, Fartcoin is up 222%. Bonk, 35%. Jupe, Solana, Ray, Link. That's because Sergi met with, was at the crypto ball, all kinds of stuff, which is bullish for Link. And XRP, 26%. But again, most of the coins that are up are going to be the Solana-based coins. And that is because of this. Mr. Trump. Mr. Trump launched his official token. We talked about this yesterday. The market cap is currently $13.75 billion. And it's been rumored that Trump is now 80% of his wealth is in crypto. And this is done through Liberty Finance, etc. And remember, Trump did these exchanges here are going to tell you who has this listed. But again, try to use decentralized exchanges. And once Silent Swap gets integrated to Solana, integrate Solana, you guys need to go there and check it out. But again, it's on Binance and Coinbase and Kraken. I love Kraken. Absolutely love Kraken. But it's a Solana-based project, so that's why you're seeing Solana and a lot of the Solana-based projects move. Is Ethereum dead? I don't think Ethereum's dead. BlackRock wouldn't have put money into it otherwise. It's going to be a grind, though. It's definitely going to be a grind with Ethereum. And it's, I wish I would have bought more Solana. I was just a little bit scared because of the whole FTX thing. But at the end of the day, I'm doing okay with Solana. That's why I got, that's why I have a bag of that. I didn't buy any Trump coin. I faded it. But it's life. That's what happens. I'm not going to chart Trump coin. Again, this is a meme coin. It is officially by the president. Current price is $68.92. I think that it will continue to skyrocket. However, we will get a correction eventually. And I wish I would have bought some. I just didn't get a chance to. But if you want to get some, I got a ref link for crypto.com down below. You can get it there, pretty sure. Not your keys, not your coins. Read the terms of service. I've also got a link for Femex for international users and for Blowfin for US users. So sign up with my link, not your keys, not your coins. But it's just the fact that we have a president that launched his own meme coin is amazing. And the crazy thing about it is you're going to see people like all over X fighting about it, like the Bitcoin maxis. And it's like, who effing cares? Who effing cares? Who cares? Who cares? Who cares? We can have a Bitcoin strategic reserve. We can be bullish on Bitcoin, but crypto is a very important part of the ecosystem. It is. It is what it is. So get mad all you want. Buy what you want. Buy what works for you. But again, this is absolutely amazing. Now let's go ahead and cover over here. Yeah, this is the official page for the Trump meme coin. It's Get Trump Memes. And this was the photos. Well, it looks like AI generated, but again, he's getting inaugurated tomorrow. And he's already made promises. And I love to see it. Fight. Absolutely love to see it. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at, do some charts. Bitcoin, can't even believe it. Bitcoin is at $106,000. I know, I don't have the chicken bone broth this morning. I take weekends off. I ate garbage last night. Oh God, but it's okay. We reset ourselves. So tomorrow I'm going to be good to go. Baby. All right, let's go ahead and start with a nice naked chart. We're going to go ahead and go to the weekly and we are going to reset. Okay, so this is going to be our Bitcoin chart. So we have a God tier candle this week. We opened at 93,000. Swing wick low to 89. Currently trading at $106,000. We are less than $2,000 from breaking all-time high. Less than $2,000. And we might do it tonight. Can you still long Bitcoin if you want? I'm not using any leverage. I'm trying to protect my capital. But this is insane. Tomorrow is going to be one of the most bullish days of history. We're getting ready. And actually, if you take a look at the daily, you'll see how important this resistance area is 106,000 because it denoted the top here on 12/17/2024. Now, where are we going to go after? We break all-time high? Well, let's go ahead and do some fibs. We love our fibs. Fibs are a great tool. If you're a lazy trader like myself, use some fibs. And again, these are not proportionate, but we're going to do them anyways like this because that's how I do it. All right. Okay. So where are we going to go? Where's the next target with Bitcoin? And again, Bitcoin pumps, mostly other things pump as well. Got to reset this. There we go. Okay. So market cipher's looking bullish. On the weekly, the next area of resistance is about $114,000 on the weekly. We'll go to the daily, get a little bit of a deeper picture. So once we break 108,000, I would anticipate about 111, 110, and then 115. That's what I would look for with Bitcoin. And I'm pretty confident that we will smash highs next week. However, when we have extreme volatility in a bullish manner, we have extreme volatility in a bearish manner. So remember, there could be a massive reverse. So be very cautious with that. And again, taking profit is not a bad thing. It's not. Just making a moon bag and de-risking. It's important. Shout out to the 400 people watching. President-elect Wendy. No, I would never want to be a president. I'm more than happy to be an idiot on the internet. Also, too, shout out to Sparkwater. Shout out to the ORME member. It's like $4 a month. Basically, you support me so I could buy my baby some shoes. Now, I've got some meme coins for you guys, some alpha. So taking a look at Ethereum, finally, we got some nice upward price action with Ethereum. Jeez Louise. And again, I'm going to be selling all of my Ethereum once the market commences. There's also a bunch of drama that happened with Ethereum and Vitalik. He's just like honestly ridiculous. And this is why PR companies are so important. We'll get into more of that tomorrow. But as far as the weekly goes with Ethereum, we opened at 3,200. We got a nasty swing wick low to 2,900. And that's actually a very important area of support because of these two candle butts over here that occurred 5/6/2024. We got a swing wick high to 3,500. And we're just kind of trading at about $3,400 over here. Now, when we zoom into the daily, what is Market Cipher telling us? Market Cipher is giving actually bearish on the daily. Taking a look at the 4 hour, 4 hours kind of flat. So with Ethereum, I'm expecting hopefully bullish price action, but at the same time, a lot of the liquidities with Solana. Now, Solana broke another all-time high, and we saw almost $300. And I was actually Friday night, I was going to buy about 5 figures more. No. Yeah, 5 figures more, but I fell asleep. You cannot sleep in crypto. You cannot sleep in crypto, my loves. You can't do it. Can't do it. But again, Solana, we're going to move our drawing tools. We're going to start fresh with the naked chart because we're just bullish. We're just stupid. I'm stupidly bullish. And again, I'm so happy for Solana and everything that they've done. I'm glad they made it. And I'm glad that it's something that I invested in at around $20, especially with TikTok. Now, as far as Solana's next price areas, if we take a look, after we break 295, I see us trading around 340 and then 375. I'm crypto mommy. Solana looks gorgeous. On the daily, we get a little bit of a pullback, but again, if we do, we can take a look at 233. 233 is going to be an important area of support for me. Sui is doing the same thing that it always does. We are eventually going to break out above this trend line and then kiss 513, 540, and again, Sui also donated to the inauguration as well, I believe. About 586. That's where I think Sui is going next once we break out. Now, XRP has really done incredibly well. And again, this is a bit of an older chart. Right now, it's looking a little bit bearish on the daily, but that's okay. That is okay. We can have a little bit of a pullback. We had a swing wick high to $3.40, currently trading around $3.19. This is a God tier candle. Weekly is looking bullish, like it wants to pop up. However, I would be cautious. It looks like we're having a little bit of trouble breaking 329, but it's okay. It is okay. Got a swing wick low to 305 and then 120 and then 270 or no 304. And we'll see what happens. But again, we do have great support here at 269. I don't know if we're going to go below $3 right now. But again, we did get a swing wick low. So I would kind of watch this area at about 268. And this is probably where I would go into. Now, the total cryptocurrency market cap is going to be at $3.6 trillion. $3.6 trillion. And we love to see it. Love to see it. And these are highs. Taking a look at the weekly. This is the highest we've been, was I think 3.74 trillion. And I am expecting us to see a $10 trillion market cap. Shout out to Steffi. Steffi just became a member of the O Army. Big round of applause for Steffi. Thank you so much for supporting me and the channel. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. We got Sparkwater and Neil and Mick and Antonio. So many amazing people. I appreciate you guys. Will XRP go down tomorrow? Well, XRP is looking a little bit bearish, but it's not bearish in a bad way. It was just a little bit of a pullback, and I think it's wonderful. Now, as far as crypto market cap, I'm not going to do technical analysis on it, but I just think we're going to go to $10 trillion. I do. Also, the Trump meme coin, 80% of the ply is owned by the team. So just keep that in mind, but that's okay. It is. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of the coins that we've gotten into. And then I will do let's go ahead and take a look at some altcoin requests and see what people have been asking me on X and see if there's anything good there. Because most of the time, it's not. Just a bunch of bots. Probs Trump, USA Toshi. Toshi is on base. A lot of people like Toshi. I'm not in. Let's get Leo. Okay. Shout out to Dog. We'll take a look at Dog. And as you guys know, I've been holding Dog for a long time. Dog, I got airdropped to me because I hold runes. and absolutely love it. We had a really nasty drop, really nasty drop, but dog is pretty volatile. Dog is pretty volatile, and that's okay. If we don't hold on to 0.004, yikes, not good. But again, please understand a lot of the liquidity is transferred from all crypto-based projects to Solana ecosystem, and this is a Bitcoin-based project. Okay, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm confident in dog long term. I'm not selling my airdrop anytime soon. I will let you know, but right now I'm very confident with it, and I'm going to continue to hold. I will continue to hold. We also got DAG. Not sure about that. Trump, Aviator, Doge, Dog, Shib, Monster. Yeah, a bunch of junk. With Trump's inauguration, best choices are FRN on Sol. Ross will be, and free Ross now. I'm not going to do any of the Ross coins because I don't know what's going on with that. But I support freeing Ross. Squid Grow, of course. Great project. That's pretty much it. Nothing really great here. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the stuff that we just got into. Shout out to Raider. He lives in the trenches. First and foremost, Loop. We are in this. What in the hee-haw? What in the hee-haw? Oh no, what's this? Is it here? Is it there? Is it there? All right, so these are some agent things, okay? And these agents minted NFTs, and they actually participated in the mint on their own. And the reason why this is important is it kind of shows, and it's broke AGI and PAWG. And the reason why it's so important is, was it PAWG that did it? Anyways, the NFT agent or AI agents are going to be able to do everything on chain, and it's going to completely make life easier. It's going to be absolutely wonderful, and we love to see it. If you're not paying attention to AI coins, you need to be. Join the communities and ask questions because you're going to make a lot of money there. You will. Trump will do something on AI too. Watch. So this is Berkshire Hathaway. Berkshire Hathaway. We love them. I'm in this, invested, love to see it. But it's backed by Ember AI, which is an AI platform launching soon. And we can go ahead and see kind of over here. This is the chart. This is something that we've been in, and it pumped and then it dropped a lot. The market cap is only $562,000. Again, a lot of risk here, a lot of risk here. But at the same time, these are when you want to consider aping into this type of stuff. And the reason why, I'm not saying for you to ape into this. I'm simply saying this, when something is pumped like this and dropped, and if the project ends up doing well and launches again and things get super bullish, you will make a lot of money there. You will make a lot of money. But again, be cautious, be careful. And then we have PAWG. PAWG, PAWG. It's an AI agent DAO fund on DAOs.fun. And I've told you guys about this before. To pay attention. The first AI agent governance DAO built with Eliza on DAOs.fun. We love, and PAWG is a very small market cap. And again, a lot more risk with smaller market cap stuff. But $175,000 market cap. And then as far as the chart goes, this is what the chart looks like. This is the 4 hour. Let's take a look at the daily. I want to see the market cap. Yeah, the market cap is at 182. So it's a little bit, is it the same over here? Is it different? Yeah, a little bit different. But again, this thing is dumping, which is good. And we're going to be adding more of this, and we do own it. So I would pay attention to these types of projects. And again, at very bare minimum, what I want you guys to do, I want you to join some of these Telegram communities. I don't want you to buy anything. I want you to join, and I want you to see how it makes sense for you. And I want you to start learning about it actively, in my personal opinion. Okay. Shout out to Brooklyn Boy 76. Welcome to the O Army. Brooklyn Boy, I got a question for you. What part of Brooklyn you from? Because my family is from Bensonhurst, Daca Heights area. And I love to see fellow folks from Brooklyn. So thank you. Thank you for becoming a channel member. How is Trump looking? Do you think Trump would rug pull? That is crazy work. I'm not saying it's going to rug pull. I am simply saying, no, XRP will not go to a $10 trillion market cap. The entire crypto market cap will go. Yeah, it was a rough night. I'll probably tell the story next week. So I got invited to the VeChain event over at UFC 311. Great, amazing event. But before, this weekend, something terrible happened that was in close proximity to me. Very scary. I'm still actually in shock about it. So it's been a rough night. I didn't sleep last night. So yeah. Didn't sleep. It was a very rough night. And if this happened to you, you probably would be a little bit nervous as well. Nervous as well. But you know what? I was prepared. I've got amazing neighbors. I live in an amazing community and we are safe. My house is safe. All the neighbors' houses are safe. And really, really big thank you to fire department and first responders and police. So thank you. It was a very, very, very rough night. But anyways, you guys, I'm going to get going. Tomorrow, January 20th, 2025. Is Trump perfect? No. Are public servants perfect? No. Do we need to keep them in check? Yes. But at the end of the day, tomorrow is going to Gary Gensler's gone. January 20th, 2025 is marking the biggest day in crypto history. And one thing I want to ask from you, and actually demand from you, not ask. I want you to remember your retail. And I want you to remember retail makes up 85% of the population in the United States of America, approximately. Demand your voices are heard. Write to the Senate, write to the Congress, write to your public servants. Let them know we want these same rights and privileges as the accredited investors, because no one is talking about it. Everybody's mad about Brad Garlinghouse and their CLO Stewart meeting with Trump. Maxis are mad about it, but no one's talking about retail. Retail matters. Retail matters. Let them know. And in addition to that, things are going to get spicy. And I do think we will see a super cycle in 2026. There will be volatility. There will be rug pulls. There will be insanity that's happening. This is why it's so important for you to self-educate. This is why it's so important for you to have a paper trade, trading an investing journal, use disposable income, profit taking on extremely risky coins. We have 4 tiers that I like to use. Bitcoin is something I don't want to ever take profit on for a while. Something I'd pass down to my kids, like a gold bar. Tier 2, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, some of those that are really great tier projects. But at the same time, we do have a time where we want to start taking profit because we don't know what the future holds. And that's why we like the moonbag strategy. Moonbag strategy means you do your due diligence, you dump disposable income, remove initial investments and profits and enough to pay taxes, and the rest you hold free and clear. Then we have tier 3, some of the projects we think are going to do well that are more legitimate, but they're not quite there yet, and you take profit more aggressively. And then you've got the meme coins and the pre-sales and all the other insane stuff that's very, very, very volatile, in and out. Even if it's a quick 2 times and 3 times, you have a moon bag. And that's why if you got in on Trump and maybe you made a moon bag on 2 or 3 times, you still have whatever you have left free and clear. So if it moons like Trump's coin did, you'll do well. So please consider doing that. And my last challenges to you is Germany sold, I think, like $700 million worth of Bitcoin that they had confiscated. Okay. My challenge to you is to acquire $1,000 of Bitcoin. So you own more than Germany. Okay. That's my challenge to you. It's my challenge to you. Shout out to Mark. Thank you not to Mark. I'm sorry. To Den. Want to say you look great. First time live with you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I appreciate that so much. Thank you. I am okay. We are okay. We are okay. I'm very grateful. Very, very, very grateful. And again, you guys, thank you so much for everything. We're Bitcoin trading $106,000. I wouldn't be surprised if we broke all-time high tomorrow. But again, be cautious with the volatility. Also understand a lot of the liquidity is in Solana right now because of Trump coin. Price will go back to normal with a lot of the other stuff. We're in a longer term bull market, but just please be patient and make sure you practice risk management. Thank you guys so much. And WendyO is out. Bye-bye. Goodbye, my loves. I will be back tomorrow on TikTok. Mwah.